Take this and that.
Okay.
Oh, ouch. Take this. Yeah. Get that. Bam. Over here. You are so cooked, Green. The final tentacles.
Oh, what is this? What is this?
Take that, Green.
Oh, break. Boom, bam, boom, bam, bam, boom, bam, bam. Oh, yeah. Oh, you, bam, bam. Do that. I am learning.
Come here, you're gonna die again. Boom! Come here. Yeah. What the frick is this? Is this milk? It's so disgusting. Come here.
Oh, don't you dare step.
What the fuck?
Anyways, I'll run.
Ready to die, Blue?
I'm gonna take my side
Oh, dear. Jump, above that, and then, yeah.
I don't know what this is.
What is that? Jump,
all of it.
sweep.
Take it. Yeah, you're gonna die. Take this.
What? I ain't dying for that. Take this. Okay. Got that. Let me get my take this.
This is for my brother.
I can't take that. Take this. You ain't taking me. Take that bike. Yeah. Bam, bam, boom. Oh, damn. Give that motherfucker. I got him. Time to escape. Hold on a minute. I don't care. Alright then, I'll put okay. Is me yellow? Okay. Hopefully that red gun doesn't come. Is it gonna build? Okay, that's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and 0. Alright gang, that's good. But that's gonna load. Shut up. What the? Right click on the spot. Alright, I guess. Right.
Frick, man, he's gonna
right click on the. Take that! You're going to die.
Feels so good.
Alright, so it's a. Select rename. I guess. Victim, okay. Copy paste this hacker. Okay.
Change the
4 to 4 5. 4 3. Wait, hacker? Alright, I guess. Should I trust it? Hold on, the name Victim? I got my eyes on you. I don't think you... Oh, come on. Put the timer. Hold on, is that a timer? I guess I gotta do it. Peace. Okay, done it. What about it, yellow? Are we done? My thinking has been a lot. Oh, why did it light up? Oh, what the? Is that a song? Yeah! Oh, frick. It's a troll. Let me get it. Time! I finally got revenge. You stupid stick man. You know what? Hold on. Give me that. Oh my god. No. Come up here. And I'm gonna make you click on him. Token 1, 2, no 1. And then end it. Unpause him. Get out. And unpause. Where am I, man? I was having a dream about my wife. Now that guy has been undone with. So hold on, who I banked? Let me analyze. I don't care. See, that was sent in nuke. Ha. System crashed. Oh frick. What the? I'm coming home. Did you miss me? Hell no. I'm coming. What happened to my trash can? Oh no, gang! I'm going to Windows 5. Fuck. Give me enemy. What the? What is? I'm cooked. I'm gonna get. What the hell? Long time no see, Mr. Allen. You didn't miss me, huh?
I'm gonna destroy you. Kinda look like a goofball. Well, you miss me? They see me floating, they be hating. Well, well, I'm down floating. Anyways, come down. Alright, Mr. Naughty Dude, I am coming down. You know you made that grass look like I can't hear you. What you saying? I'm gonna rename you to
Heck no, dude. My top shot. Yeah. Fight sword. It's your reality. Don't you have in gang? Flag hammer. Oh, buddy, chill. Okay, I got you on there. I got on. I am going to win. I am farming oil with this song. You're so cooked. For my life. Yeah, go for it. Oh, he's on board. My aura. Nothing can stop me. That's it. Oh. Man, I'm so aura farming. I regain my aura. In my last punch. I am aura. Aura needs me. I collapse your settings, Alan. Yeah. Save this aura so much. Okay, I'm lucky that. Anyways, blood aura form again. As a stranger will be gone. No, please, I want to make it. I need my weapon to show us my beautiful wife. This is so funny. Why the music cut off? Well, I gained 1 trillion aura from that. I'm alone, I guess. Well. What the? Is that a spider? It just spoke. Hold on, the Dark Lord? Nice to see you, my friend. You know me, I guess? Well, hello there. Your phone was kinda intense, but me? I got shattered. And there's a wanted ticket. I go to that place. And then I saw you now. And let me examine you. Pyrokinesis flex so hard. Your fighting skills are so good, gang. And the music too. I want to show you something. You want to see it? It's like this cool black hand I got. It's like water dripping out of my hand. And I can even make spikes. And the ball. And I can even make something. And by the way, I saw this woman looking like woman. Is that my wife? Oh, you recognize her? So it was like this. Stop reminding me. Bro, look. If you make a heart, put it in the grave, it heals. And you get your wife back. See, is it cool? By rubbing her, yeah. Boom. Are you thinking of something? Yeah. I wanna touch her. On only one condition. You have to touch me. Hey, yo, what? Okay, I guess. I'm gonna touch your hand only. No, please touch it in my other spot. The hell you mean? Nothing will happen? Yeah. To be continued.